guys, welcome to another episode of Nana Vlogs. My name is Abla Aisha Damdala, fondly called Nana, your favorite brand new couple. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, if you're always watching my video, you guys are my G's. So guys, today on my channel we are going to be tying some headgears, mostly tied by the Northerners. Yeah, the Northerners, the females. No guys don't tie scarf. So my friend Falmata, you can see her behind. Falmata, I say hello to my subscribers. So she's going to be using me as a model. She's going to be tying different kind of scarves on my head. So guys, let's move into the video. Oh, Nana. What's the name? Oh, Nana. What's the name? Last scarf. Okay. And this is like the finest. I'm going to say. Woman with a heart of gold, expensive than any gold. There's nothing she wouldn't do. You don't have a upper. You hold it yourself, but you have a upper. For the man she loves, send it a binzuchiata, Nina G the kid. I'm
This one you need a lot of pink, and I feel like this London material would be like, is it chiffon London or what do we call it? To be like the perfect scarf for it. So
to make it come out very well and make it shiny also.
I'm buying King, I'm buying soyayya take tayi min kawa me a tamfa yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa kinga soyayya take tayi min kawa kyakkyawa 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 I love you the way you are kyakkyawa kyakkyawa Woman with a heart of gold, expensive than any gold. There's nothing she wouldn't do for the man she loves. Send it a binzuchiata, Nina G the kid. Koda na tashi bacci na yi kwalli da ke. An ba ni ke, an ba ni ke, an ba ni ke, kinga an ba ni ke. Yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya take tayi min kawa. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya take tayi min kawa. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya take tayi min kawa. Kyakkyawa, kyakkyawa. So you can see we are like folding it in to make it look like this rose kind of shape. I love you the way you are. Kyakkyawa, kyakkyawa, kyakkyawa. My audio angel. Woman with a heart of gold, expensive than any gold. There's nothing she wouldn't do for the man she loves. Send it a binzuchi zuciyata ni na ji da ke, ko da na tashi bacci na yi kwalli da ke. An bani ke, an bani ke, an bani ke, kinga an bani ke. Yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya ta ki ta yi min kawa. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni. Arewa yanjo Sanada. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya ta ki ta yi min kawa. Me a tamfa yarin ya sanni kyakkyawa, kinga soyayya ta ki ta yi min kawa.
All thanks to my friend. You see, she didn't even talk throughout the video. She's very, very quiet, unlike me.
I love you,
Guys, you can actually see how the side is. And if you try out this graphic on Instagram, on Twitter, on WhatsApp, I would love to see how it's decided, and I would love to I'll be proud. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you love the styles we tied, please leave a comment below. And if you want me to do more, because she can actually tie a lot of scarves, if you want me to do more of this kind of vlog, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm here for you guys. Do you like which of the scarves fits me the most? Is it the first one, the second one, or the last one? That is this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give a thumbs up to my video. Till next time on my channel. Bye bye.